In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit or withdraw funds from your FxPro account. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. First, if you want to deposit or fund your account, go to deposit here once you are logged into your account, and then you'll be taken to the deposit page where you can choose your payment method. If you have a credit card, you can go ahead and choose it. Enter the details before you can proceed to fund your account. However, if you wish to withdraw, just go to wallet and under wallet you should see your wallet balance. Currently I do not have funds in my wallet. However, if you have funds, this withdraw button will be active. Just proceed and tap on withdrawal, and here you will directly withdraw money to your bank or the payment method you had chosen. You can also transfer funds using this option here. So that's how you can deposit or withdraw funds from FxPro. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.